today we're opening this and we have a new friend.
Oh, what's your friend's name? Hi, friend.
Her name is Pink Bubble Tea.
Pink Bubble.
Ready?
Okay, what do we have here?
We have slimes, fruity slimes, and there's also 2 mystery ones.
Okay, come here, let me see. Bring it over here. So this is crazy slime, right?
Yeah.
And this different type of slime.
And the one with the bags are mysteries, so we don't know.
As we have 2 mystery one here.
Yeah, ready?
So these are different smell?
Yeah, different smells.
Okay, let's open it up. Whoa.
Even the ice cream.
Okay. Whoa,
And we
okay.
got the 2 mystery ones.
Let's line them up. Let me see. Hey, what's this one? What's this one? This slushy.
And
So
then
this one is slushy.
ice cream.
And we got ice cream. What else?
We got
What else
this.
we got? Which one is that?
I don't know.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. We got
Okay, what's the next
ice-
one?
We got cake battle.
You got Kick Mix. Yeah.
Kick Mix.
Close. Click Mix.
Pickles.
We got pickles. Sweet pickles. That's a sweet pickles. And which one is that? Let me see.
Soda.
I can help you.
Soda.
Soda. Oh, okay, like Coca-Cola.
I don't know what this one is.
And we also got cheese crackers.
Next one.
And next one. Ooh. This is spring water.
Next one.
This is Jello.
Honey.
And we got honey.
Okay,
All
ready? Fourth.
And what's the surprise one? You want to wait till later to see the surprise one?
Wait till the end.
Okay, let's open which one. Which one should we open first?
This one.
You open that one first? Which one is that?
It's the slushy.
Slushy? Okay.
What?
Ah. Yeah. Let's see. Put it in my hand. Ah.
Ew.
Yeah. It's sticking to me.
I think I have to take
Sticking
off
to
my
me.
hat for this.
Sticking to me. Ew. Does it smell? How does it smell?
Ew.
Does it
smells
smell?
bad.
It smell like? What does it smell like? It's supposed to smell like slushy. Does it smell like slushy?
Slushies.
Mm.
Okay, let's leave that on the table.
Okay.
Next, ice
What's
cream.
next?
Ice cream.
Keep them separate.
Wait, let me smell it. It smells the same. Ew. Smell it.
You stop.
Smell it.
You guys want to smell it? Ew. Doesn't smell like.
Right?
Doesn't smell like ice cream at all.
It smells bad.
Does it smell like ice cream?
It smells like the same.
Does it smell the same?
Maybe it's like this slime.
How does it feel? Does it feel?
Feels like ice cream.
Which one feels better? Don't mix them. Don't mix them.
This one.
You like the ice cream one more?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna mix this one more. Peanut butter next. Woo! Ready? Ew.
Whoa. Peanut butter one.
It's not going out. Smells like peanut butter.
It does?
It smells so good.
Really?
Smells so good. Smell it.
Wow.
Let me smell
Smell
it.
just like peanut butter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smell it.
Let me see. Let me smell it.
Some.
Let me smell it. Ah,
Wait,
hey, give me some. Put it on my hand. Okay. Does smell like peanut butter.
Okay.
Yummy.
Up here. Hey.
Kick mix? Okay.
Ew.
Is it coming out of the box?
Yeah. Wait till it drops down, everybody.
Ah! Coming down! Coming down! This is a blob. It's like cake mix.
And this is the
Does it smell like cake mix? Does it smell
Let
like?
me smell it. It smells like nothing like cake mix.
Nothing like cake mix?
It smells better than cake mix. Pickle.
Pickles?
Nobody smell it, okay, this time?
All right, let's move these away. You have to smell it to see if it smells like pickle. Does it smell like pickle?
No.
It doesn't?
Smells nothing like
What's it
pickle.
smell like?
Nothing like
What's it smell like?
Bad snot.
It's like, girl.
Okay, next we have
Yeah.
Jello.
Oing, oing.
That's Jello.
Which one bounces the most? Boing, boing. Which one bounces the highest? Are they all the same?
No.
Oh.
This one almost mixed together.
Ooh. I think this one bounce higher. This one here. That one. Nah.
Okay, next we have this Jello.
Okay. Does it smell?
It smells like soap.
So, but what's it supposed to be? It's
Jello.
Jello.
Yeah, it looks like Jello.
How come it doesn't smell like Jello?
Does not smell like Jello. Put it back in the pile. Next one, soda. Soda.
Good
Not
job.
moving at all.
Open it.
You. Soda.
Soda. Does it smell like soda?
No.
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 Maybe-
I think they're not supposed to smell.
Well, it says it's supposed to smell. Why don't they smell? Maybe is it the lid? Smell the lid. Maybe the lid's supposed to smell.
No.
No. Maddy. Next we got
And with this open
spring water.
soda. Time is clear and I like clear. It's freeze spring water. I got it. But till it melts down.
I don't think it's gonna come down. I don't think it's gonna come down.
I think it's gonna come down.
Well, it's dropping. It's dropping. Oh, you go. Maybe it's supposed to look like spring water. I don't know.
It's clear.
What does it smell like?
Spring water.
Ah, is it?
What is this? Like, oh! No! Get off me. Oh! I got it in one try. Dad, I got it in one try.
Good job. Okay. Okay, cheese cracker. How does it smell like cheese cracker?
No.
No.
It smells sour only. That's the rest of the spring water. Come on.
Which one is that one supposed to be? Honey?
Do a poke. Do a poke.
Maddie, does it smell like honey?
Wait, don't touch it. No. It's in the shape right now.
Can I feel it?
Oh, it's a finger. It's a finger. Okay, that's all right.
Alright, let's go to each one
Get the
again.
mystery one already?
No, nah, we got these one, the mystery one. What's in the mystery one?
I think this is a donut. Okay, I think this is a donut. It's a donut!
We're gonna put it on.
I found it. French fry! With a smiley face! And this one is a donut.
You want to mix them together now?
Yes. So you got no that don't. So we can mix this one and
Maddie, catch. Maddie, look how stretchy it is.
Ooh, it looks pinkish.
No, stretch it. Look how
I'm
stretchy.
gonna mix this one together and see what happens.
Look how stretchy. Mix up.
This one. Put this in there.
My bad. Madeline.
No, scratch it this way.
Whoa.
Hello.
This one's cool looking.
Get set. Ready? Get set.
Maddie.
You're mixing it together?
Ready?
Wow,
Two.
that's a big
One.
You get this half. I get this half.
Okay, bad.
And both of us get a chop. I get the french fry. And you get this one.
Whoa. What?
No. Wait. Smell this. So everybody, do this. Where's your chop? Get your chop.
Okay.
Chop.
Yeah.
Put it in.
Okay.
And close your eyes and bury it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Okay, I'm putting one here. Give me yours. Put yours here. 3, 2, go. Ah! Found it!
Wait. one's it?
Okay, let's go again.
Mine's green. This time I'm gonna hide yours. Wait, I'll tell you when I'm ready. And you can't.
Okay, I'm closing my eyes.
I need this to help me.
Ew. That looks so gross. Okay, ready?
No. Ready?
I saw you take it out.
Okay, no, do it again. Okay, you do it again too.
Okay.
You even have to find the slime.
Okay, ready?
This looks like a piece of organ.
Ready?
Looks like a piece of
And you
meat.
can take it.
Hey, you should.
I got it. Time.
I got it now.
I got it. Stuck. I got it. I got it. You see it? Hello.
Ready, move.
Hello.
Whoa.
I'll try to make a bubble look.
Are you making a noodle?
Hello. Five. And then I'm gonna pour it and try to make a bubble, okay guys? Hold it, get it. I'll flatten it out, okay? And I'll do this.
Shake before. Shake, 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 shake. Ah!
Ready?
Ooh. Come on, squeeze.
Good. I'm off. I need
That
it.
looks like a sundae.
Ice cream sundaes coming right up. Hey.
Here.
Is it?
Ooh.
Wow. So cool.
That's pretty.
Waiting
Can I use
for
any
this
more?
moment. Don't forget to get all the glitter. We have this one?
Oh yeah.
Daddy.
We have lots of different glitter here, huh?
I'm gonna add the gold. Gold looks like. Look at it. Added so much gold inside. Look at it. So much gold. Sprinkles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Maddy. Here's some glitter. And wait, give me one more second. I got the donut, that top, and some slime.
Bye bye.